Okay, first things first, you have to clean the rice. I had a bowl underneath it to catch any rice that may have fell through the strainer, but you keep rinsing the rice until the water is clear. I didn't do the entire thing on video, but I did make sure my water was clear. So you keep rinsing and repeating until your water is clear. So let's look at my seasonings. We have black pepper, we have allspice, garlic powder, seasoned salt, habanero pepper, I think because they didn't have scotch bonnet, thyme, green onion, small red beans, and coconut milk. Let's get started. So, beauties, let's go ahead and start with the beans. So, I took a cup of water and poured it in the pot. Don't judge my pot. I need new pots, I know. And then I put in my can of beans. I did not drain the liquid out of the can. I put everything in the water because that's all going to add the flavoring to it. Now it's time to add the seasoning, the flavor. So we have our thyme, we have our green pepper, sorry, green onion. I keep saying pepper, green onion, and our habanero pepper. Now let's put our spices in. So I previously showed you all the spices. We got the black pepper, we have the allspice, we had the garlic powder, and we had the seasoning salt. So we're going to add all of that in with the vegetables. And these beans are about to start getting full of flavor. Let's go. So it's been cooking, I want to say for about 30 minutes. So I'm stirring it up, putting a little of the juice in the spoon. So to me, in my mind, if the color changed, the flavor's in the water. All right, so that's been boiling. We're going to go ahead and we're going to add our final ingredient to the beans, which is the coconut milk. So you know what I'm going to do now, right? I'm going to stir it up and I'm going to check the liquid in my spoon to see if the color has changed. Because why? That means the flavoring is in the pot, children. One last stir before we get to our final step in this pot of rice. And the moment we've all been waiting for, the rice. So I did use Uncle Ben long grain white rice. So we put not clean rice in the pan and let's get this thing going. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to stir and mix up those flavors, honey. Blend it all together. Come on, make sure them beans and them rice is soaking up that flavor, every grain. And of course, we had to put some butter in there because butter makes everything better. Not margarine, but butter. Forget the aluminum foil under the lid to keep the steam in. Let's see what this rice looking like here. So we took off the lid and fluffing the rice up, making sure, nothing is sticking to the pan. It's looking pretty good. I think we accomplished it. Okay, so I did taste it a little bit off camera. I decided to thinly slice up some plantain and put it in a little bit of oil to fry it up on both sides evenly. Well, you fry it up to your liking. But honestly, well, I only cut up one. But honestly, guys, I think I fried it too long. Or maybe the fire was too high. I do like it a little more brown than not brown. But honestly, I think I cooked these a little too long. I don't know. I think maybe the fire was too high. But I'm going to let you all see the brownness of it all. I tried, guys. I tried. Um, my next batch will be better. But yeah, this was only one plantain. And this is what it came out looking. A little brown. Little brown, depending on what you like. But it's simple to cook. Just slice it thinly and throw it in the pan. So here you have it. The finished product in the pan. And let's get a taste test going. Yep. The peas and rice and the chicken. Tell the truth.
It's good. It's sweet.
What's sweet? The chicken?
Onion and stuff like that.
So I did good. 1 to 10.
Like a 7.
I'll take it.